In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Apollo.io. Duplicate contacts can clutter your lists, skew your reporting, and slow down outreach. The goal today is to quickly identify and merge duplicates inside a specific list while keeping the most accurate record as your source of truth. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also share what to look for so you can merge confidently. Start by opening Apollo and going to the Lists area. This is your home base for contact organization. Once you're there, choose the list you want to clean. Pick the list that contains the contacts you suspect have duplicates, such as a campaign list or a recently imported set. Inside the list, click the checkbox at the top of the table. This selects the contacts currently visible on your screen. You'll notice Apollo gives you an option to go beyond the current page. Next, click Select All. This tells Apollo to select every contact in the list, not just the ones on the first page. It's the best way to make sure duplicates are captured across the entire list, especially if you have hundreds or thousands of records. Click Apply to confirm that selection. You should now see a confirmation that all list records are selected. If the total number looks right for your list, you're ready to move on. Look to the top right corner and click the three dots. This opens the Bulk Actions menu for the contacts you've selected. From this menu, choose Merge Duplicates. Apollo will scan the selected records and group potential duplicates for you, typically using fields like email or name to match. When prompted, select the master contact for each duplicate group. The master is the record you want to keep as your primary source. A helpful approach is to pick the contact with the most complete and up-to-date information, such as a verified email, the latest title, or a clean activity history. Take a moment to compare fields so you're confident in your choice. The merge will roll secondary records into the master, preserving key details where possible. Finally, click Merge to confirm. Apollo will process the merge and consolidate the duplicates, leaving you with a single, cleaner contact for each group. Depending on list size, this can take a moment. Once complete, your list should be easier to manage, with fewer conflicting records and a clearer view of engagement. And that's it. You've selected your list, captured all contacts, opened the bulk menu, merged duplicates, and chosen the right master contacts to keep your data accurate.